Illinois Post-Secondary Profiles Data Center. Let's explore the IPP Data Center page. Start on the Illinois Post-Secondary Profile website homepage. At the very bottom, there are a series of links that redirect to other pages. This footer is available on every page on the website. Let's click on the link for the IPP Data Center. Here at the IPP Data Center, you can download data for any of the categories of information provided on the site. Downloading the files will give you access to data in Microsoft Excel's file format. Notice that the categories represented here reflect the data available on each institution's page. When you open your downloaded file, you'll first be presented with a legend explaining the layout of the data file. This information clarifies how to read and understand the full data available on the next tab. For each informational column, the legend provides the name of the column, a description of the contents of that column, and any notes associated with those contents. The column names and descriptions have been extracted to be as consistent as possible with other federal reporting tools to assist researchers in their efforts to integrate this dataset with others they may be using. The next tab contains all of the actual data used by the site, laid out as was described on the first tab. You may see empty data cells throughout the spreadsheet. Don't worry, this is completely normal and expected. Empty cells simply mean that either the data point didn't apply for that institution, the data doesn't exist in the system for that school in the data year, or perhaps it applied, such as an institution accepts male students, but there was a zero value, so there were no male students enrolled there. Most zero values actually show in the spreadsheet as zeros, meaning that the data point was relevant, it was reported, but the reported value was indeed zero. The IPP project is making every effort to provide its dataset to the public directly so that researchers in a variety of settings can make full use of the data in their research efforts. We understand that this version of the data may be overwhelming for many users. Contact our offices if you have questions or concerns about the IPP public data files. One final note. The document you downloaded represents the data on the IPP site at a fixed moment in time. Any changes you make to it will obviously not be reflected on the site, and any subsequent updates that are posted to the website won't be reflected in the data set in your file. The date of each file is noted on the website. So if having the latest version of the file is important to you, check the site regularly. As always, thank you for your interest in and support of Illinois Post-Secondary Profiles.